99 YouTube subscribers, you made a good choice.
Start.
Where are we going?
Oh, MCM.
And when do we want it?
So I hit him with a dough.
This is the cube.
Bad feeling.
Now let me welcome everybody to the Wild Wild West.
Had a little trouble scanning my ticket, but we are in. It is unbelievably empty. Oh, no way. And there's a huge queue, like, just outside for cash withdrawals, and there's ATMs right here.
I'm thugging in the club until I see the sun.
Oh wait, is that Cuban or what, Marowak?
It would have been amazing if he was Marowak and this kid was Cuban.
Yeah. Oh, you give look what you've done. You give me goosebumps.
Thought there was an Oculus Rift, but it was just a film. True that.
Now let me welcome everybody to the Wild Wild West. Now let me welcome everybody to the Wild Wild West.
It was sunny a few minutes ago. We were tanning.
Escalade on green Cadillac lean. Fame in the West.
We're pretty wet. It was raining.
Well, that was fun. I got bruised.
Bam. Right, so we're all dried off. Kind of, yeah. In fact, we can't really dry, so we're going to go buy a shirt. It gives us an excuse to get some merch and shit.
He is none other Tom Ritter, aka TomSka.
And I want to do a little teaser for that game, and I will leave it at that for now. But I just want you to kind of get excited for it, and then... Just another anyway. We're going to game. Here's the trailer.
Years they lay beneath our feet, creatures of pure evil, waiting to pounce. They're here. Chaotix.
Tom, high five.
Ready?
That's a good day, wasn't it?
It's good. It's good. At least we're partly dry. I mean, I'm still soaked.
Lose a butterfly. Right, we're back home now, and I'm going to show you everything we got. What did you get, Gareth?
Well, I didn't get that much actually. All I got was this Spider-Man PS1 game, which was always my favourite PS1 game. It's the only one I play through to the end. And I might have got that thing.
What thing?
That thing on the wall over there. If you pan your camera around, you might be able to see it. It's just a small little fantasy kind of thing. Yeah, Captain Scarlet.
Gareth was holding it, and I saw TomSka, and I was like, TomSka! And like my bag got caught on his canvas, and
Yeah, and in trying to set it straight, you were just there going happy-go-lucky, going TomSka, TomSka, validate my channel. Yes, he was. Yes, he was.
what did you get, Lee?
I got on my laptop for stickers. I got this one here, new, and because the guy was very generous, he gave me this one as well for free. So yeah, my sticker collection's coming along quite nicely. I'm starting to cover up stuff now. I also got the character that I cosplayed as today. Although without the stick, I'm fennekin apparently. And this one, which makes me giggle. Which I think is super awesome and cute.
Do you know the artist that made them? Like, has it got their Diva on it?
No. Again, artists don't seem to want to
promote themselves.
No, they don't, do they? They don't want to put the signature on it. I do it all the time.
Even just their Diva art or something.
Yeah, but no. And I also got this. What do you call them? They're like oh, the borrowers. That's it.
That's cool. The borrowers.
You got your little Zelda borrower.
Right, I'll show you what I got.
What did Cameron get?
Yeah, because I want to start getting back into magic and get this guy into it.
Sorry.
He's been busy.
You bought yourself a new drum kit.
Yeah, you got time for a drum kit.
The drum kit is musical. Magic is not.
I'm looking forward to that drum kit though.
You know what they say? Friendship is magic.
You're such a fucking brony.
No, I'm not.
Captain Scarlet was a brony, and look what happened to him.
Oh, this is a trap.
He got eaten by sharks.
Oh, no, it's not.
What is that?
It's like a trap. Chris better not watch this.
Is this his
It's like,
food?
yay, sweets. Oh no, it's like noodles. No, I'm joking, Chris. No, I'm putting it back.
No, go on, eat it.
No, I'm not.
Eat it, and
No.
he doesn't watch my videos anyway.
not?
It'll be hilarious.
not.
Hey Chris, if you're watching this video,
He's not one of your 9 subscribers.
Don't hate me, Chris. I love you really. I hate that.
Lou stole one of Chris's sweets.
Yeah.
We got Hannah something.
Yeah, we got a
signature from Robert Llewellyn, who
But-
plays Crichton in Red Dwarf.
But. Do you want to see what I've done to Cam?
Maybe I'm a little overprotective.